Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to reset Lenovo docking station, step-by-step reset and troubleshooting tutorial. Step 1. Disconnect the laptop. First, unplug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable connecting the dock to your Lenovo laptop. Step 2. Remove power. Then unplug the dock's AC power adapter from the wall outlet or the back of the dock. Step 3. Drain the power. Then press and hold the dock's power button for about 15 to 30 seconds. And if your model lacks a power button, check for a small reset pinhole and hold it down using a straightened paper clip for 10 to 15 seconds while the dock is powered. Step 4. Reconnect the power. Then plug the AC power adapter back into the dock and do not plug the dock into your laptop yet. Step 5. Wait for initialization. Then wait for about 15 to 30 seconds for the dock to fully power on and boot up. Step 6. Reconnect to laptop. Plug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable back into your laptop and test your peripherals. Here are some additional troubleshooting steps. If your device are still not responding after the hard reset, try these following solutions. Fix 1. Update firmware and drivers. Download and run the latest firmware and drivers from the official Lenovo support portal. Alternatively, you can use the Lenovo Commercial Vantage app to automatically scan, update, and also reset your dock. Fix 2. Check display and resolution settings. First, ensure you are using the original USB-C or Thunderbolt cable that came with the dock. Then check that you haven't plugged the main data cable into the dock's front port instead of the designated rear port, and verify that your display resolution settings match the supported specs detailed in the Lenovo dock guidelines. Fix 3. Manage USB power settings. Open your device manager and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Then right-click on your USB root hub and from the drop-down menu, select Properties. Then go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.